How does forensic psychology affect jury selection? Have you ever wondered how juries are chosen in high-stakes trials? The process is more complex than you might think. Forensic psychology plays a vital role in jury selection by applying psychological principles to assess potential jurors. This helps predict how they may perceive and decide on a case. In true crime and criminology, understanding human behavior is essential for a fair trial. Forensic psychologists often act as trial consultants. They develop strategies to identify jurors whose personalities and values align with the interests of the case. One of their key tools is a detailed juror questionnaire. These questionnaires go beyond basic demographics and probe deeper into psychological traits and biases. In high-profile cases, they can be extensive, sometimes spanning dozens of pages with hundreds of questions. The first focus of forensic psychology in jury selection is assessing juror attitudes and beliefs. Psychologists evaluate both conscious and unconscious biases that jurors may have. This includes their views on the criminal justice system, the presumption of innocence, and specific social issues like race or mental illness. Understanding these biases helps attorneys anticipate how jurors might interpret evidence or testimony. Next, forensic psychologists identify psychological characteristics that could influence juror behavior. They analyze personality traits and life experiences that may affect how jurors interact during deliberations. This includes their susceptibility to persuasion and their ability to adhere to legal standards impartially. Another important aspect is mitigating bias. Forensic psychologists help detect and address potential biases that could skew the jury's decision-making. They aim to create a jury with diverse perspectives, which can balance out individual prejudices. This diversity is essential for fairness in trials. Forensic psychology also enhances jury diversity. By applying psychological tools and data-driven methods, psychologists contribute to selecting juries that better representing the community. This representation is crucial for the legitimacy of the judicial process. The voir dire process, which involves questioning potential jurors, is another area where forensic psychology plays a role. Psychologists recommend questions that reveal jurors' true attitudes and potential biases. This helps uncover biases that jurors may be unwilling to admit. In practical terms, forensic psychologists model the probability of a juror's selection based on various psychological and demographic factors. This scientific approach is especially important in cases involving complex psychological issues or where the defendant's mental state is a key concern. Overall, forensic psychology affects jury selection by providing a systematic method to identify jurors who can deliver impartial and reasoned verdicts. This enhances the integrity of the judicial process in true crime and criminology cases, ensuring that justice is served fairly.